Here in Oceanside, and we're looking at a house. Mark Cook, one of our foundation repair specialists, he's doing a manometer survey on the inside. We were called out to this house because it had some foundation issues that the client thought they had, so we're just confirming and giving them the results. If you look over here to the side, you can see where these tree roots have already started upheaving the concrete driveway. This is all going to have to come out and be replaced, and then remove the tree roots and grade everything back out. Let's go on inside and see how Mark's coming along. Mark, how's it coming along?
Well, it's going great, Brian. There's a little settlement back here, and I noticed this crack here.
Oh yeah.
It's been repaired. So I was just taking different measurements around checking it out. So it's down about a ½ inch from the front entrance there. And then it feels like it's dropping a little bit more as we move over. That was down 6/10 of an inch. Yeah. So I'm just putting the
pretty close to an inch.
Yeah, there's 9/10. Yep. So I'm just putting the elevations on the floor plan, just so we know where to put our piers on this project. Then I'll turn this into a PDF later and add it to the proposal for the customer.
Perfect. So
we are down 2.3 inches. So this 2.3 inches is comparative to the 0 inch at the front. So you have a baseline of 0, and then it's down 2.3 inches, and this is probably the worst area of the home. And I don't know if your camera can see this, but over here, there's a small slope towards the back, and then that lot next to us is down about 6 feet or so from the elevation of this house. So therefore, there's a slope going that way and a slope going that way. So that's where we're gonna normally, on a normal house, you'll look to see the most settlement.